Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching Tech. Last time I provided you with OxygenOS 16 launcher version 16.6.11, which brought the built-in glass counter glow effect for all OnePlus devices running with OxygenOS 16. I installed that launcher on my Note 5 and it gives an amazing glass-like counter glow effect for different elements of the home screen and lock screen. But some users reported that it wasn't working for them, especially users who are using Note series devices. Also, that launcher has an issue with the AI app categories. It only shows the others and recently installed app folders by default. But today in this video we are going to solve both of these issues and provide you with another latest launcher version 16.6.14. Make sure to watch this video carefully without skipping any part. Now without further delay, let's get started. Last time, we provided you with the wallpaper and style APK which enables the counter glow effect in the setting. But unfortunately, it was not installable on devices like Note series and below. It only works on the OnePlus number series phones like OnePlus 11 and above devices. But the users who aren't able to use it can now use the new OxygenOS launcher which adds the counter glow effect by default. However, it has a bug with the AI app categories, but you can solve it easily in this video. So keep watching. Just download this latest version of launcher and install it. This launcher adds the counter glow effect by default, but you have to apply motion flux theme to get it. You can use any motion flux theme, but don't apply the normal OxygenOS themes because they won't give your device the counter glow effect. Once you apply your desired motion flux theme, you will get this nice counter glow effect for home screen folders, smart sidebar, the edges of floating windows, the edges of search bar and its results, app categories folder, app drawer switch, lock screen widgets and the shortcuts, and the new live space of OxygenOS 16. So users who are complaining about the counter glow effect is not visible, please try applying any motion flux theme. It should be visible there. Let's check out how to solve the app categories bug of this launcher. This launcher has fully working AI app categories for the OnePlus devices running with OxygenOS 16.0.8 and above versions. Devices running below this version will have app categories bug, but you can solve it. Just expand any app categories and long press on any application. From the pop-up menu, select Move option and you will get all the app drawer categories like social, games, office, finance and more. You have to just select the appropriate folder where you want to move the application. This action will create that folder in the app drawer and will move the selected application into newly created folder. In this way, you can move all the applications into different categories of the folders. But this is one-time manual process. Normally, OnePlus automatically generates these categories using its AI features. For now, this is the only way to use this launcher and solve that issue. Hope you guys got the solutions for both the issues with the new versions of OxygenOS 16 launcher. If you find our content useful, then please do like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.